Hey YouTube, now I'm going to show you how to replace a headlamp in a 2019 Toyota CHR. The headlamp is actually this right here, the left one. Your turn signal will be over here and your headlamp's here. I'll be showing you how to do the turn signal in a different video, so if you want to do that one, please jump over to that one when I have that one completed. So what I'm doing is I'm going to take the camera over here so I can show you where inside of it that you actually will change this headlamp. All right, so now we're in the engine well, and back here you can actually see, for example, we have all these different cables that are going into our headlamps. So this one right here is actually the headlamp that we're going to be looking to change. So in order to do that, all you do is you take it and you're going to just spin it. If you push one way and it doesn't go, it goes the other way. And then once you spin it, it'll come loose as you see. So it's loose right now. And all you're going to do is, once that's done, is you're going to pull that out. And this is your headlamp. So this right here can be changed by, on this back side right here, I'm going to try to get around this so I can show you without touching the light. This right here is a little clip. All you do is you take your finger and you push in this little clip right here. And then once you do that, it will pop right out. So this right here is the headlamp for the Toyota CHR. I will try to link in the description which one this is so you know which one to look for if you need another one. And in order to replace it, let's say hypothetically this was your new one when you got it, all you would do is you would take this right here. It only can go in one way with the little clip on the bottom right here. You're going to take that, you're going to slide it back in so you hear a click, just like that. It won't come out. And then you're just going to push this back in here. Has little spots that it lines up to, and then once you do that, you just take it, and I think I actually put it down the other way. Yep, this right here, and you just line it up in the spots, and then you turn it, and it locks back into place. So that right there is how you change the headlamp in a 2019 Toyota CHR. Please like and subscribe if you want to see additional videos like this, and thank you for watching.